Pranam, everyone. I want to discuss some current incident. Kumbh Mela. I think the basic some knowledge must be know our new generation. It is very important for our new generation. I think not only new generation, our all Indian civilization, current civilization, don't know about the Kumbh Mela. Actually, how why it is celebrate and its history. I want to discuss with you some basic knowledge only. Kumbh Mela related every 12 years because of the alignment of the sun, moon, and Jupiter. The Kumbh Mela is Hindu pilgrimage that is the world largest human gathering. Explanation. The Kumbh Mela is based on astrological culture calculations. The position of the Sun, Moon, and Jupiter in the zodiac signs determines the venue of the Kumbh Mela. Jupiter takes, do you know? Jupiter takes 12 years to complete one revolution around the Sun. I think nobody knows this. Jupiter takes 12 years. Jupiter takes 12 years to complete one revolution around the sun. The Kumbh Mela is celebrated in four cities: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. The Purna matlab completed. The Purna Kumbh Mela take place every 12 years in all four cities. The Ardha matlab half. The Ardha Kumbh Mela take place every 6 years at Haridwar and Prayagraj. The Kumbh Mela take place every 144 years in Prayagraj. The last Kumbh Mela was held in 2019. The 2025 Mahakumbh Mela was held in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, India from January 13 to February 26, 2025. Explanation. The Kumbh Mela is a religious gathering that takes place every 12 years at four sacred cities in India. The 2025 Mahakumbh Mela was unique because it was the first time in 144 years that the constellation alignment occurred. The Mahakumbh Mela is one of the largest and most revered religious gatherings in Hinduism. The Kumbh Mela is held at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati rivers. The Kumbh Mela is held at the confluence Milna of the Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati. Kumbh Mela every 3 years, Kumbh Mela every 6 years, Ardha Kumbh Mela every 12 years, Purna Kumbh Mela. The Kumbh Mela was played an important role in Indian history. The Kumbh Mela has played an important role in Indian history, including the independence movement, the Hindutva movement, the gathering of scholars and ascetics, and the donation of procession by King Harsha. किंग हर्षा। किंग हर्षा का नाम सुन के ही मैं हर्षित का नाम हर्षित रखी थी। किंग हर्षा, हर्षवर्धना। I want to discuss about King Harsha, my next video, who he is, his rule, his kingdom, and his lifestyle, ability, and everything. Second video में. Thank you. Thank you everyone. This is the only basic knowledge our new generation and every parents must be know about this Kumbh Mela, because it is in this Mela all over world there are Chinese, Japanese, London, America, from everywhere. They will come study about our religions, and they come here. Okay, now enough. Next video I will discuss Harshavardhana lifestyle. It is also related with our Kumbh Mela, because he donation must be without donation. Okay, now bye bye, all my dear friends and elders and youngers. Pranam. This is my sari, my father give my mother. Bye. Pure silver sari. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Pranam.